Welcome to our YouTube family on Money Academy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an exciting video. Let's make this journey together. I love you.
With ChatGPT. Next, decide on the topic for your video. For today, let's explore food. Let's ask ChatGPT to help us create a script for our video. Just give it a moment. Once the script is ready, copy and paste it into a document. With the script in hand, let's move on to adding a high-quality voiceover. We'll use 11 Labs for this part. Paste the script into 11 Labs and feel free to add punctuation marks for emotion. Choose a suitable voice and adjust the settings. I recommend about 40% stability and 50% clarity for a natural sound. Once satisfied, hit Generate and let 11 Labs work its magic. After the voiceover is generated, give it a listen to ensure it meets your expectations. If it's good to go, download the voiceover file and repeat for the entire script. Now let's create an animated background using Canva. Choose a background that suits your video, at least for now, something still without additional elements. To add life to it, we'll use Layapix. Upload the background to Layapix, play with the settings until satisfied with the animation. Instead of the usual download method, record your screen while the animation plays for higher quality. Return to Canva, upload the recorded video, and add other elements. Let your creativity shine by adding images, animations, and the voiceover for a cohesive experience. Once satisfied, download the animated background video. To make the video more engaging, let's create a speaking character using Adobe Express. Google Free Animation Maker for YouTube, click on the link for animations, and choose a captivating character. Customize the character with a green screen background and the right size for YouTube. Import the voiceover audio clips we created earlier. Download the animated character video. Now, with the animated character and background ready, it's time to bring everything together. Use your preferred editing software. For today, we'll use CapCut. Import all the files, arrange them on the timeline, and mute audio to prevent overlap. Apply chroma key to remove the green screen background, resize and position the character. Also, we can add background music. Congratulations! You've just created your first AI animated video. Check this out.
Hello, young explorers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Superfood Adventures. I'm your guide, Potatoes, and today we're diving into the colorful world of fruits and vegetables. Are you ready to learn about some amazing superfoods? Let's get started.
After creating the video, upload it to your YouTube channel and generate passive revenue. I always recommend spending time on editing and selecting your topics, as this will yield better results. I would love to hear about your experience creating kids' learning experience. Use this guide, find inspiration from similar channels, and be as creative as you wish. Your videos will only get better with time. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful, as this will help me provide more valuable ideas on how to make money by following simple steps.